I heard you like when I rap, so I had to come back with another YouTube video. So sit back and relax, cause I'm about to blow your mind while I show you how to fix your ruined blinds.
Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this. Goddamn cat drinking milk out the bowl.
Step 1. You want to take the button off your last row on your blind. I use scissors because I have these long nails on. Step 2. You want to take the string out that is tucked into the hole and untie the string. Again, because I have nails, I'm using tweezers. But if you are using tweezers, please make sure to sanitize your tweezers when you're done. Step 3, you want to take that string out and pull it all the way up. The string is in the middle and it's the only string that you're going to pull, so do not fret, my pet. You've got this. I pulled it up to where I needed to take the blinds out that were messed up. Now, step 4, you want to remove those broken blinds. And make sure you take the strings out throughout the whole thing. So the front one, the middle one, and the one on the end. And this is the reason why my blinds are messed up. Well, that and the kids. So I'm just gonna make sure I take out all the blinds that I want to remove. Now, step 5, I'm going to take the new blinds from the bottom row, so the ones that I don't really use and they're just extra, and I'm going to replace the broken ones with those. And all you're going to do is you're going to thread them basically through the string. Just like how you took them out, you're just going to put those back in. And we're going to line up the strings and stuff at the end, so don't worry about that. Step 6, you're going to thread that middle string back through the hole. And there's no difficult, task you have to do. All you're doing is just putting the string through the hole all the way down from where you took it out. These nails they were giving me a hard time, but get her done. We're just going to straighten it out. Bang. Now, step 7, you want to tie that string back and tuck it back in. Now, this part is optional. You don't have to cut it, but I just cut it because it'll be easier for me to tuck it in, and I don't need the extra string anyway. And I'm going to take my tweezers to help me tuck it in. Now I'm going to line this ladder rope looking thing, and with step 8, I'm just going to cut that extra string off, and then I'm going to place the button back in place. And again, you don't have to cut the string, but for the sake of the cat, getting distracted by it and just the look, I cut it. In step 9, you want to test your work.